YouTubers. I was just having a conversation with a couple of guys that had built the 380 kit. They couldn't get it to run, and I said, that's exactly what I had and what I put in my videos. It's just trouble. Now, this is the 380 that's pre-built, and of course this one runs. So we'll take a quick look inside the box, and then real soon we'll see it run. And knowing me, I might take this one apart to see if I could. I told him I'm not even sure that you know, I could compare them and figure out what's going on, because I sure did try. That's documented. I think it's probably the most interesting thing that I've done, because it's but on a positive note, a 380 that runs. So I'm gonna pause a second, we'll look inside. A guarantee letter. I don't know what that is. Maybe that's got something to do with tariffs or customs or that was attached to the box. Well, there you go. She's every bit as pretty. This one even came with the dogs. That's in the right place, not behind this. Well, we'll get into it. Toolkit, manual, bottle. Oh, and that letter, I think's got to do with the EPA. Okay, more later.